AltCoinTrader's planned system maintenance, Sunday, the 17th of November, 2024. I'm sure everyone agrees that a good platform at some stage has to go down for maintenance. And that's what we're planning to do this coming Sunday, the 17th of November, 2024 at 7 a.m. Let's get straight into it. Good morning, everybody. Okay, this is an email that's been sent out. A lot of you have already got it. Some of you are still going to get it. System maintenance, AltCoinTrader system maintenance on the 17th of November, 2024. Dear AltCoinTrader client, please be informed that we will be conducting system maintenance on AltCoinTrader on the 17th of November, 2024, starting at 7 a.m. The estimated duration for this maintenance is approximately 2 to 12 hours. Let's dig into that a little bit more. Guys, I always like to consider best case scenario. The best case scenario here is that we go down at 7 a.m. Our technical team get the maintenance sorted out and we're back up and running at 9 a.m. Smooth sailing from there. Now, I'm sure you'll agree that whenever there's a large team of technical people and there's maintenance to be done, there is the possibility that we run into a little glitch and the maintenance actually takes longer than anticipated. In this case, the maintenance could take up to 12 hours. Now let's look at the affected services. The buying, selling, sending and receiving of cryptocurrency will be temporarily unavailable. All trading and other transactions will be suspended during this maintenance period. Placing of new orders via the website or app will not be possible. Existing open orders placed before the maintenance window will remain open in the order book. Let's dig into that a little bit deeper. If you have incoming crypto deposits that are going to your deposit addresses, this will not be affected. When the system comes back up, all of those deposits will be credited to your account. Likewise, if you have incoming RAND deposits that have been sent to your AltCoinTrader account, when the system comes back up, you will see those RANDs credited to your account. There will be no effect to you. Open orders. Now, guys, this is an important one. If you have existing open orders, whether they buy or sell orders, they will remain open during this period. But when the system comes back online, those orders could be executed and you might end up getting a lot more or a lot less than you had hoped for with that order. My advice to you is that try and close your existing orders while the maintenance period is underway. So just log into your AltCoinTrader account, close those open orders if you don't want an unexpected surprise. Okay, something else that you need to understand is that when the system is under maintenance, you will not be able to interact, you'll not be able to trade, you'll not be able to buy, sell, because the website and the app will be down. You will be faced with a maintenance page, so you will not be able to do anything. I think that goes without saying. What to do? Please ensure that any critical transactions are completed before the maintenance window. A lot of you guys are going to need RANDs on Sunday and you normally do your withdrawals. Please make sure that you do your withdrawals in plenty of time so that it's not left to the last minute or it's not left to in the maintenance window when you can't access your account. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact our customer support team. If you would like to be kept up to date on the maintenance window, please follow us on our social media. Okay, guys, so if you are wanting to know how the maintenance is going and when we expect to be back up and running, simply follow us on our social media accounts, X or Facebook, and you will be kept up to date with what is happening with the maintenance and when we expect to be back up online. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause and appreciate your understanding while we work to improve the AltCoinTrader experience. Your funds will remain totally secure throughout the maintenance process. Guys, I think that goes without saying. Just the mere fact that we are warning you of this maintenance before the time, please know that as always with AltCoinTrader, all your funds are safe and secure. And once everything's back up and running, you'll have access to those funds again. Thank you for your continued trust and support. Kind regards, AltCoinTrader team. Okay, guys, just one thing that I wanted to mention. AltCoinTrader has been around since 2015. It is now 2024. And during those 10 years of operations, we've been down once, which in my opinion is pretty remarkable. We're hoping and trusting that you'll give us your support while we go down the second time. We are not just going down, we are warning everyone so that they know how to act. And we will be up and running after this maintenance. We are improving the systems. It's important to understand that there's nothing wrong with the current system, but we are just doing routine scheduled maintenance. We thank you for this, and we are counting on your support. That's it from me. I'm out.